You know, there is something truly magical about that time of day when the sun begins to set. The noise of the world finally quiets down, the streetlights flicker on, and we prepare to rest our weary bones. But what if I told you that right in that quiet moment, just before your head hits the pillow, lies a golden opportunity to completely transform your health? We are talking about a tiny, unassuming spice that you probably have sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now, tucked away behind the salt and pepper. I'm talking about cloves. Now, you might associate cloves with holiday hams or maybe a pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving, but the truth is, this little flower bud is one of Mother Nature's most potent secrets. Imagine if simply soaking these tiny cloves in water and sipping that warm elixir at night could unlock a treasure chest of benefits for your body. We are talking about everything from soothing those creaky joints and fighting off dangerous inflammation to helping you drift off into a deep restorative sleep. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, stick around because we are going to dive deep into the science, explained simply, so you can understand exactly why this bedtime ritual is taking the health world by storm. Just a quick friendly reminder before we jump in. Everything we share here is for educational purposes. We want you informed and empowered, but this isn't a substitute for professional medical advice from your own doctor. Now, grab a comfortable chair, maybe a warm blanket, and let's count down the incredible benefits of clove water, starting with number 1, a revolution for your digestion. Are you looking for a gentle, natural way to settle your stomach? Maybe you've had a heavy dinner, or perhaps your digestion just isn't what it used to be. Well, look no further than the humble clove. We all know cloves bring a wonderful aroma to our cooking, but drinking clove water acts like a soothing balm for your entire digestive tract. Let's look at why this works. Research has shown us time and time again that cloves are powerful when it comes to gut health. Think about the last time you felt that uncomfortable bloating or indigestion. It's not fun. Well, studies have actually found that cloves have antimicrobial properties. This means they help fight off the bad guys, the harmful bacteria in your gut that cause issues like upset stomachs. By keeping those bad bacteria in check, clove water helps maintain a happy, healthy balance in your belly. But it gets better. Cloves contain a special compound called eugenol. Think of eugenol like a little engine starter for your digestion. It stimulates your stomach to produce digestive enzymes. These are the workers that break down your food so your body can actually absorb the nutrients. When you drink clove water, you're essentially telling your body, okay, let's process this food efficiently and comfortably. No more going to bed feeling heavy and full. Your digestive system will truly thank you for this simple addition to your routine. Number 2, putting out the fire of inflammation. Next up, number 2, fighting inflammation. Can you imagine sipping on a warm, spicy glass of clove water while you watch the evening news? It's not just tasty, it's a medicinal tradition passed down through generations. And for us seniors, this one is crucial. As we age, inflammation becomes a real nagging issue. It's that stiffness in the knees when it rains. It's that ache in the lower back. Well, remember that compound I mentioned? Eugenol turns out to be a powerhouse anti-inflammatory agent. There was a fascinating study back in 2012 that showed eugenol works by suppressing a specific enzyme in the body that triggers inflammation. Think of it like a fire extinguisher. When you drink clove water before bed, you're sending in the fire department to cool down those hot spots in your body while you sleep. Since your body does most of its repair work while you are dreaming, giving it this anti-inflammatory boost right before bed is like giving your repair crew the best power tools available. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling just a little bit looser, a little less stiff, and ready to tackle the day. That is the promise of clove water. Number 3 is all about protection. We hear the word antioxidants thrown around a lot these days. But what does it really mean for you? Well, think of your body like a classic car. Over time, without proper care, metal rusts. In our bodies, that rust is caused by things called free radicals. They damage our cells and accelerate aging. Nature, in her infinite wisdom, gave us cloves. Clove water is absolutely packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, and our friend eugenol. These compounds are essentially the rust-proof coating for your cells. Here is the really interesting part. When you sleep, your body isn't just off duty. It is working overtime to clean up the mess from the day. A study in 2022 suggested that antioxidants can be even more effective when the body is at rest because they can focus entirely on repair without the distraction of walking, talking, or digesting a big lunch. Drinking clove water at night is like calling in an elite cleanup crew to scrub your cells clean while you snooze. Now, folks, I need you to lean in and listen closely because this next part might just shock you. Most people think that as we get older, our bodies just naturally break down and there's nothing we can do about it. We accept the aches, the fatigue, and the brain fog as normal. But there is a hidden toxicity switch in your body that often gets flipped on without you even realizing it. What if I told you that there is a specific, silent process happening in your blood every single night that, if left unchecked, could be accelerating your aging process by 10 years? It sounds terrifying, but the research into how nighttime toxins affect our vital organs is absolutely groundbreaking. And the secret we are about to reveal regarding the liver might just be the key to turning that switch off. You are not going to want to miss a second of this because it changes everything about how we view nighttime health. But before we continue, tell me in the comments where you're watching this video from. Are you tuning in from the sunny beaches of Florida or California? Maybe you're watching from the heart of Texas, or perhaps enjoying a cool evening up in Chicago or New York. I love seeing how far our Senior Medical Hub family reaches. And hey, if you have any personal questions or a specific health concern that's been bothering you, make sure to share it in the comments below. I read every single one of them, and I'd love to hear your story. All right, let's get back to it with number 4, improving liver health. This connects directly to what I was just hinting at. Your liver is the filter for your entire body. It works tirelessly day and night to clear out toxins. But after decades of hard work, that filter can get a little clogged. This is where clove water becomes a miracle worker. That eugenol compound acts as a shield for your liver. It not only protects the liver from damage, but it also enhances the body's natural detoxification process. It helps prevent something called lipid peroxidation, which is just a fancy way of saying it stops the liver from becoming damaged by fats and oxidative stress. There was even a study in 2016 that suggested clove extract could help kickstart liver cell regeneration. Think about that, helping your liver rebuild itself. By sipping this tea at night, you are giving your hard-working liver the support it needs to detoxify your blood effectively. So you wake up feeling fresh, not sluggish. Now, number 5 is a big one for many of us in the United States: blood sugar regulation. It is truly wonderful how nature provides solutions to our most common problems. If you're watching your blood sugar numbers, clove water might be your new best friend. Cloves contain compounds that have been found to act similarly to insulin in the body. They help move sugar from your blood into your cells where it can be used for energy rather than sitting in your bloodstream causing trouble. There's a fascinating twist here. A study from 2019 found that consuming clove-infused water at night when our bodies are fasting during sleep can enhance these benefits. It works with your body's natural biology to keep those glucose levels steady overnight. It's an easy, natural tool to add to your arsenal against high blood sugar. 6. Breathing easier. Moving on to number 6, respiratory health. Do you ever wake up with a stuffy nose or maybe a little congestion in your chest? Clove water acts as a natural expectorant. The vapors from the warm water, combined with the anti-inflammatory properties of the cloves, help to soothe the lining of your airways. It relaxes the throat and can help suppress that nagging cough that keeps you up at night. It opens up the air passages, making it easier for your lungs to do their job. It's like a breath of fresh air for your respiratory system, helping you breathe deep and sleep soundly. Number 7, stronger bones. Number 7 is vital for us as we age: bone health. We worry about osteoporosis and frailty, right? Well, studies specifically published in journals like Medicinal Food have shown that the compounds in cloves can actually enhance bone mineralization. Clove water helps stimulate the activity of the cells that build bone while slowing down the cells that break bone down. In animal studies, clove water consumption led to improved bone density and strength. So think of that nightly cup as a way to stiffen up your skeleton in the best way possible. Number 8, a brighter smile. Number 8 is dental health. We all want to keep our natural teeth as long as possible. Clove has been used by dentists for centuries. You might recognize the smell from the dentist's office. Swishing that clove water around your mouth before you swallow it can kill the bacteria that cause gum disease and tooth decay. It also reduces inflammation in the gums. If you have sensitive gums or a toothache, this is a fantastic natural way to soothe your mouth before bed. Number 9, a healthy heart. Cardiovascular health. Your heart is the engine of your life. Clove water supports this engine by helping to relax your blood vessels. This is called a vasodilatory effect. When your blood vessels relax, your blood flows more freely, which can help reduce high blood pressure. Plus, those antioxidants we talked about earlier, they stop cholesterol from oxidizing and clogging up your arteries. It's a heart-healthy habit that takes zero effort. And number 10, deep, restful sleep. Improved sleep. Are you tired of tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling? Research suggests that the compounds in cloves can have a mild sedative effect. They interact with your nervous system to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. By calming the mind and body, clove water sets the stage for a peaceful slumber. No groggy pills, just a natural drift into dreamland. Number 11. It kills harmful bacteria. We live in a world full of germs, but clove water boosts your internal defenses. It has been shown to be effective against tough bacteria like E. coli and staph. It disrupts the bacteria's cell walls, stopping them in their tracks. It's like having an internal bodyguard patrolling your system while you sleep. Number 12. Managing your weight. Number 12. Weight management. Trying to shed a few pounds? It gets harder as we get older, doesn't it? Well, clove water can boost your metabolism. It helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Plus, the strong flavor can act as a natural appetite suppressant, stopping those late-night snack cravings. It's not a magic pill, but combined with a good diet, it gives you that extra edge. Glowing skin. Number 13, skin health. Who doesn't want to look a little younger? The antioxidants in clove water fight the signs of aging from the inside out. They help reduce oxidative stress that causes wrinkles and age spots. It also supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm. Cellular protection. Number 14, protection against serious disease. While we must be careful with our words, studies have shown that eugenol has powerful properties that help the body defend itself against the development of abnormal cells. By aiding in detoxification and reducing inflammation, you are creating an environment in your body where health thrives and disease struggles to take hold. And finally, number 15, improved circulation and intimacy. And finally, number 15, improved circulation and intimacy. For the gentleman watching, good circulation is key to everything. The improved blood flow we mentioned earlier extends to every part of the body. By enhancing nitric oxide production, clove water can support healthy blood flow when it counts, potentially bringing a little spark back into your life. How to make clove water. All right, are you ready to try this? It is so simple. Here's what you need. 2 cups of water, 4 to 5 whole cloves. Don't use the powder, use the whole buds. Here's the method. Grab a small pot and get that water boiling. Toss in your cloves. Turn the heat down low and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want the water to turn a nice amber, light brown color. Turn off the heat, cover it, and let it cool down a bit. Strain it into your favorite mug. Drink this warm or at room temperature about 30 minutes before bed. If it's too strong for you, stir in a little honey. Delicious. A note of caution. Now, we have to be responsible. Clove water is powerful, and too much of a good thing can be bad. Don't overdo it. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups a day. Blood thinners. If you are on blood thinners like warfarin or have a bleeding disorder, talk to your doctor first, as cloves can thin the blood. Surgery. Stop drinking it 2 weeks before any scheduled surgery. Sensitive stomachs. If it gives you heartburn, stop drinking it. There you have it, friends. The mysteries of clove water finally unraveled. From soothing your digestion after a family dinner to silently strengthening your immune system while you dream, this powerful natural concoction holds an array of benefits waiting to be tapped. But I want to leave you with a final thought today, something to really chew on. Health isn't about finding a magic wand that fixes everything overnight. It isn't about running marathons if you've never run before, or completely overhauling your life in a single day. True, lasting health is about the small, consistent choices we make when no one is watching. It's that decision to drink a glass of water instead of a soda. It's taking that 10-minute walk around the block, even when the couch looks inviting. And yes, it's about simple, ancient rituals like brewing a cup of clove water before bed. These small acts are acts of self-love. They are messages you send to your body that say, I care about you, I value you, I want you to last. As we enter our golden years, it is easy to feel like our best days are behind us. Society often tells us that aging is just a slow decline, but here at Senior Medical Hub, we believe differently. We believe that with the right knowledge and the right natural tools, your later years can be your most vibrant years. You have the wisdom, you have the experience, and now you are gaining the health knowledge to match. Listen to your body. It is the only place you have to live. Be mindful of how you feel when you try these remedies. Be patient with yourself. Healing takes time, and nature works at its own steady pace. And most importantly, always consult with your healthcare professional before making major changes. They are your partners in this journey. I truly hope you found this episode enlightening and inspiring. It is always our goal to help you discover new, natural ways to enhance your well-being. So, are you ready to head to the kitchen and try this clove water recipe tonight? Or maybe you are already a seasoned clove water connoisseur and have some tips to share with the class. We would absolutely love to hear about your experiences. Please don't be shy. Share your thoughts and your stories in the comments below. We are building a community here, a family of people dedicated to living their best lives, and your voice matters. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new today, and please subscribe to our channel for more exciting health revelations. Remember, there is always something new to learn on your health journey, and we're here to explore it together, every step of the way. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring. Good night, everyone.